Okay, people, this is Lee Shelby with Really Nice Homes. Basically, showing a copper pipe repair. Got code. Does anybody in Michigan knows this winter has some pipes pop? You got an elbow that's popped right there. You probably can't see it real well. Not that many. Really made out pretty good. I gotta squeeze the mess down here. Oh boy, this is a little maze here. Yeah, and on this side, probably could have walked the opposite way, but also had this pipe that came loose that's leaking right there. As you can see, gotta get that one tight. I gotta cut that water off to actually get to it and tie it back in. I think that's it. Maybe one more, but yep, just on before, and I'll come back and show you guys the repairs. All right.